Wow. Hello, that's your first personal foul, first team foul. Ball shot, number 24. First shot, basket. Second shot. All seven.
Galing na si Choy, ha? Galing na.
Three, no good. Rebound 21. Johnny, rebound. No.
Player to si ano ito. Style mo?
Pwede ba ma-interview?
Wala. Dali. Cardona, 2 points.
Ano kayo mabat dito? Namamuwersa ka.
Look at the ball. Alu for 3, no good. Rebound number 21. Easy 2 points. Number 2. Nice pass. Number 2. No. Rebound. Alu. Transition pass. No good. Nice pass. 2 points. Low. Ambil. Timeout Laguna. Official score 11-all.
Total. Bien, ¿cuánto fue por ahí? ¿Todo bien?
Bossing! ¿Qué falta? ¿Cómo se?
Dime. ¿Todo bien?
¿Qué falta árbitro?
¿Queremos árbitro?
De dos. Es que no queremos Filipinos.
No, pero es que yo vine porque queda bien, ¿entiendes? Porque yo salí a las 11 de Alicante, en el área. Pero él tiene la otra semana viene.
Pero tiene que peor
Otro más.
Masa 11 nyo, all 11. 11 all.
Official score 11-all.
Sobre.
Bienvenido. Mahal talaga di bakasyon dito.
Ang bilis, no?
Time
Nagputong
remaining 2
Pilipinas
minutes
yan.
and 58 seconds. Score all
Isa ka na,
11.
isa ulit ah.
Namiss ka nga rin.
Ay,
Number
matatawa
2, giving the ball, set a play. Number 2 attack. No good. River again. 2 points by number 2.
Maray, ka magpaparte? Maray doon, ka magpaparte kaldinga. Kurang to nagparty ah.
Number 2.
Gamit ako yung bakasyonan mo.
Pass to number. Bossy.
24. Ano ang ibig na?
Manawag ng music yo?
Tayo wala, mabaik-baik.
Okay, mabait.
Number 22. Attack. Black. Pass to number 77.
Pudot pa yan, Pilipinas.
Pass to number 14. 2 points by number 14. Number 24. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 is still by number 77. Telmo. Pass to number 14. Bossing. Pass to Donna. Back to number 14. Bossing. River by number 21.
Sulit na mo, gano'ng kalaban nyo? Sulit no.
Number 22. Pass to number 2.
Time out.
Pass to number 21.
Time out
Pass
dito,
to number
vale.
24.
Time out.
Ay, tempo, vale?
Tempo.
Time out. Ilocanja.
3 points ba yan? 2 points. 15 all. For the first period.
Official score, all 15. Time remaining 2 minutes and 17 seconds.
Nangamoy iwan ka pa.
Nangamoy lang sa oris pa.
Allí un solo.
No, ese es que este liga muy bien. ¿Sabes?
Allí uno.
Back to the ball game.
Tama, ano por me? ¿Qué eres? Arbitro. Tan bonito eh.
Ginagawa mo ito?
Oh, 400 isa. 400? Madami kasi yung sobrang pera eh, kaya pinag-ano ka na eh, ginastos ko na eh. Oh pre, tapos nagpagawa na ko yung upper pa isa na sa Kings of Europe kasi madami ang sobra.
Di ba na gusto yung pera ito?
Yung mga number 2, number 17.
9,000 pa.
Number 17, Cardona, set up play. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 17, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 19. Pass to number 22. Time remaining exactly 2 minutes. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 2. No good. Rebound again. 2 points by number 2. Pass to number 19. 1 minute and 45. Number 2. Denmark. Set up play. Denmark attack. Pass to number 19. Time remaining 1 minute and 30. Number 22. No good. Rebound by number 17. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Still. Number 22, Alu, attack. Foul, loose foul. Number 19. Uta said, Nani! Last 56 seconds. Number 2, Denmark. Setting up play. Pass to number 16, Dumalanta, tumira. No good. Rebound by number 22. Last 45 seconds. Number 22. No good. Rebound. Still. Number 10, attack. Solid North ball. Last 32 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Stop. Wala na shot clock. Last 15 seconds. Number 22. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
End of first quarter, 1917 in favor of Ilocanja.
Basket, buzzer beater. Number 1.
second quarter.
Number 22.
Best friend.
Number 3. No good. Given by number 30. Pass to number 2. Denmark. Number 14. Bossing.
Elias, ayusin mo Elias.
Number 22. Time remaining exactly 7 minutes. Number 22. Pass to number 3. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. Inbound by number 16. Dumalanta. Pass to Hansel. Hansel set a play. Hansel attack. Grabbing in violation. Cambio, cambio. Cambio. Number 2 in. Number 3 out. Inbound by number 22. Number 2 set a play, dribbling the ball. Number 2 attack. Pass to number 24. Number 24, no good. Ribbon by number 16, Dumalanta. Dumalanta, nagmamadali. Attack. Pass to Bossing. Bossing! Ribbon by number 16. No good. Number 24, pass to number 2. Back again. Number 24, set a play. Time remaining 5 minutes and 50. Number 2. Pass to number 21. Blocked by number 2. Denmark. Solid north ball. Number 2, Denmark. Attack. No good. Rebound again. Pass to number 30. Hansel. Hansel. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 24. Out of bounds. Solid north. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 16, Dumalanta. Dumalanta, pass to number 14, Bossing. No good, rebound by number 1. No good again. Who's ball? Number 14. Number 14, first personal foul, first team foul. Official score, all 19. Time remaining 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2. 3 points. Number 2. Pass to number 14. Bossing. No good. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Dumalanta. 2 points by Dumalanta. Number 22. Attack. Basket. Number 20. Number 2. Number 2 attack. 2 points by number 2.
Reserve, bale?
Number 2 is still number 1. Bossing. Bossing. Ali. Pass to Hansel. Dumalanta attack. Tumira. Rebound by number 21. Pass to number 22.
Time out kuya.
Debo ay cambio, bale? Pass to number 21, 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Still by number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Same ball. Cambio. Time remaining exactly 3 minutes. Cambio, cambio, cambio. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Number 15 in and number 2 out.
We are north.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 33 seconds. Number 2,
Ay,
Sarapay.
cambio, vale.
Pass to number 20. Still by number 30. Number 30, nagmamadali. Number 30, nagmamadali. Umatake. Pass to number 14. Bossing. No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 22. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. No good. Rebound by number 16. Ay, cambio, vale. Papasok si Cardona. Cardona. Takin bang. Ayoko nang hindi nakatakin. Number 1, 2 points.
Matapang ito ah.
Number 2, dribbling the ball, set of play. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Pass to number 22, Alu. Tumira. No good. Rebound again by Alu. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 21, 2 points by number 21. Easy 2 points. High tempo, vale? Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds. Hansel attack. Pass to number 1. He's still by number 21. Pass to number 22. Nahabol number 14. Foul. Time out. Solid note. Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds. Official score 26-25. 1 point lead by Lucania. Kung wala ka nito, wala kang talo.
Boss tayo, namukhang tanga. Laro kayo.
Alam mo na. Alam mo na, wala ka nang magagawa. Alam mo na.
Boss Toyo. Yun o.
Alam mo ba? Two people by number 22, first row. Basket. Second throw. No good. Rebound by number 21. Traveling violation ang tawag ni Rep. Time remaining. Exactly 1 minute. Number 2, Denmark, set of play. Pass to Cardona. Cardona. No good. Rebound by number 2. Pass to number 22. 45 seconds. Then the last 35 seconds. Pass to number 15. Foul. Last 27 seconds. Last 27 seconds. Daddy, para ka magbe-baseball ah. Para ka magbe-baseball. First throw, no good. Second throw. Basket. Number 27. Pass to number 2. Last 20 seconds. No good. Rebound by number 19. Pass to number 2. 15 seconds. Number 2 again. Last 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4. Last 4 seconds. 4 seconds.
Pre, huli ka sa video.
Last 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. End of the second quarter.
7:26. Lucania.
Number 15. Attack. No good. Rebound. Jump ball. Lucania. Number 1, number 22, attack, rebound by number 2.
Labas, Tilbo, labas!
Foul, basket. Foul number 0.
Uno. 0-1 yun. 0-1 yun.
Elmo!
Oh. That's number 1, that's number 21.
Lapitan mo dito.
Pass to number 27, back to number 21, number 21, attack. No good, rebound by number 15. Pass to number 2, Denmark, attack. No good, rebound by number 19. 2 points by number 19. Time remaining 6 minutes and 40. Number 21 attack. Traveling violation ang tawag ng ref. Inbound by number 17 Cardona, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 19. Muntik na. Attack, pass to number 15. Foul. Foul number 27. Score.
Tama ba yung score? 31? Tama. 31.
Score 27-31 in favor of Solid North.
Ilang pala na si ano, John eh?
Wala pa rin si Johnny. Uno. Uno, ilang foul daw.
2 points by number 21. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Kailan to manalo kasi uwi si paring John, bale, uwi sa 24, okay? Oh, yung mga pasalubong nyo, sabihin nyo na.
Number 77, pass to number 17. Cardona, no good, driven by number 15. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul number 22.
Pwede yata si parang iko sa kaldagan ah.
Third team foul.
Third team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Cardona, no good. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Still by number 77. Pass to number 19. Number 19 attack. No good. Rebound by Alu. Number 22. Pass to number 3, Antolin. Basket by number 3, Antolin. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds.
That's my best friend, Antolin.
All 31.
Galing talaga ng best friend, oh. Shout out sa'yo, best friend, Antolin.
15 seconds to shoot. Time remaining exactly 5 minutes. Still by number 22. Foul number 77. Stop. Cambio.
Stop.
Pasok.
Sama ni kay Sukun sila. Babasit bagila.
Number 3. Pass to number 1. No good. Dribble by number 19. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 16. Dumalanta. Center play. Pass to number 2. Denmark. Foul. Number 21. Number 21. First personal foul. Warning for penalty Ilocanga. Last 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 15. No good. Foul number 21. Cambio. Penalty. Number 21. Second personal foul. Penalty. Time remaining 4 minutes and 24 seconds. First throw by number 15. Basket. Cambio. Langis. Ano, parting yun. Basket again. Cambio.
Wait.
Pass to number 2. Number 2.
Ay, tapos pala.
Pass to number 3. Pass to number 2 again. Blocked by number 15. Same ball. Last 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Mira. 3 points by number 2. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 3 and 3. 2 points by number 3. Time remaining 3 minutes and 55. Score 36-33.
Panang naman kami eh.
Bale. Ay tempo, bale.
Ay, cambio.
Out. Solid mark. Score 38-33 in favor of Ilocanga. Time remaining 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Korean brad.
Kontra Canada. ¿Has visto la tele, no? ¿Has visto la tele?
Time remaining 3 minutes and 45. Inbound by number 2. Pass to number 16. Back to number 2. Number 2 gonna play. Number 2.
Bola.
Number 22. No good. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 2. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 14 bossing. Back to number 2. Pass to Lumalanta. Pass. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Last 3 minutes. Number 22. 15 seconds to shoot. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Basket.
Grabe yun. Highlights.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 30. Number 2, Denmark set up play. Pass to number 14. No good. Rebound by number 17. No good again. Rebound by number 1. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Alu. Foul. Who's foul? Number 1. Number 1. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots by number 22. Alu. No good. Last throw. No good again. Rebound by number 1. Pass to number 2. It's still by number 2. Pass to number 9. Last 2 minutes. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 9. Number 9 attack. No good. Rebound by number 1. No good again. Rebound by number 9. 14 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 17. Number 17, Cardona. 2 points by number 17, Cardona. He scored 35-40. Pass to number 22, Alu. Pass to number 24. 2 points by number 24. Last 1 minute minute and 30 seconds. Number 2, Denmark. 15 seconds to shoot.
Stop kayo, Dol. Dol, stop ka. Stop time out.
Tempo. Last 1 minute. Foul number 14.
Time out, time out.
Time out. Ilocanda. Time remaining 1 minute and 9 seconds. Official score 42-35 in favor of Ilocanda.
Oh, naka-video kayo ah.
6 months.
Yan, si Paring John, uwi siya. Pabili na kayo. Yan, si Kuya Cesar natin yan. Yan, pinaka-founder natin sa basketball. Since nakikilala ko na yan, 2005. Nandito pa rin. 2025 na, 20 years na kuya. 20 years na. Yan, si mga bossing.
Sa mga gusto pong bumili ng ticket para sa PBA Moto Club, dito lang po sa committee, punta lang po kayo dito. Reserve na po kayo.
Bili akong 10, pare.
Pagdating na June 8, 2025. Utas kayo.
35 pa lang yun, no? 35, 42-35. Official score, 42-35. Napindot lang, napindot.
Ilocanda. No good, rebound by number 16, Dumalanta. Pass to number 2. Time remaining, last 25 seconds. Number 14, Bossy, no good. Rebound by number 1. Last 29 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Number 16, Dumalanta. Attack. No good again, rebound again. Last 15 seconds. Rebound again. 2 points by number 16. Cambio. Last 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Woo! Double highlights.
And of the third quarter.
Yan si Ward. Yan si Ward, oh. Galing talaga, oh. Idol. Idol.
44 na yan, Toyo.
44. 44-37. 44-37.
57.
Official score. 4 quarter.
Still by number 22, Alu. 2 points by number 2. Number 16, Pumalanta. Pass number 15. Foul. Number 1. Third. Number 1. Third personal foul, first team foul. Last 14 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 15. Easy 2 points. Number 22, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2 points by number 2. Number 16, Donata. Pass to number 14. 3 points by Bossy. Time remaining 8 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points by number 1. Time remaining 8 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Out. number 16. First personal foul, first team foul. Inbound by number 2. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 1. Back to number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7. Number 1. No good. Ay cambio, Bebo, dali. Pass to number 22. Nyot, sinama nga konti. Cambio, cambio. Pasok ang papasok, labas ang lalabas. Tempo, Ilocanda. Oras natin, 7 minutes and 43 seconds.
Okay, bye.
Saya. Ay, gana oh.
Inbound by number 10. Pass to number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Still. 2 points by number 2. Two points. 2 points na lang, 2 points. 2 points.
2 points, 2 points.
Number
50
16.
to 44.
Time remaining 7 minutes and 8 seconds. Pass to Cardona. Pass to number 1. Time remaining 6 minutes and 55. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10. 9, 8, 7. Offensive. Time remaining 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Pass to number 16, Dumalanta. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 17, Cardona. Back to number 2. 15 seconds to shoot. Dumalanta. 3 points by Dumalanta. Score 52-47. Time remaining 6 minutes and 23. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Still. Basket. Basket. Bonus shot. Number 2. Foul. Foul. Batatan. Alam mo ba?
Si Elias yan.
Bonus shot. Basket. Score 52-50 in favor of Ilocanda. Time remaining. Exactly 6 minutes.
6 minutes, 6 minutes.
Pass to number 2. Back to number 22. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 16. Dumulata. Dumulata. Pass to number 17. Ground ball. Nag-gamble nga. Pero binigay sa inyo yung fourth quarter. Nag-gamble kanina, nag-gamble. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 30, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 17, pass to number 2. Number 17. Rebound. 14 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Score all 52. Seconds to shoot. Hay cambio, ¿vale? 4 minutes and 20. Points. The score 54-52. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 2, Denmark. How? Cambio.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, Lokanja. First throw, no good.
Ilocanja, isa na lang yung timeout nyo ha. Sandaan lang pag...
Ilocanja, isa na lang timeout nyo. Solid North, 2. Timeout, Solid North.
Special score 54-53 Ilocanja.
Ilocanja ball, bale.
Serya pa dito, gusto niyo. Yo. Kaya kayo ha. Sabi niyan.
Ilang minuto pa? 358.
Malang po.
Ilocanja, warning for penalty. Coach!
Regions pala tayo.
Coach, warning for penalty na kaya.
Masaya naman sa bata.
Both teams, isa na lang ang timeout nyo, ha? Time remaining, 3 minutes and 53 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 2, set up play. Pass to number 14, Bossing attack. No good. Rebound by number 1, pass to number 2. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 54-53 in favor of Ilocanja. Number 22. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 points. 14 to shoot. Last 3 minutes. 10, 9, 8. Foul. 21. Cambio.
21, warning na.
Penalty.
Penalty. Warning 21. Warning 21.
Number 21, warning for Broadway.
Tapasyon, 253. 57-52.
53.
53.
May tilaban na meron.
3-4.
Oras natin, 2 minutes and 53 seconds.
3 minutes now? Ilan pa minutes? 2 minutes?
Ang second game natin, ready na po kayo. Basket. 2 minutes and 30. Basket by number 15. Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One second. No, 1 second. 24 seconds. 24 seconds. No, 24 na. 24. Shot clock na, violation na po. 24. Hindi tumama
na ring.
Kahit kami lang, isa namin hindi tumama na ring.
Last 1 minute and 50 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds to shoot. 14 to shoot. Last 1 minute and 18 seconds. The score is 61-56. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 54 seconds. Time out. Solid note.
Meron pa time mata isa.
Seconds lang.
Seconds na lang. Kayo.
Bilisan na lang.
Ya, seguimos, chicos.
Last 54 seconds. Last 54 seconds. Last 54 seconds. Foul. Last 47 seconds.
Parang pwede ito pre ha, parang pwede ito sa boss. Ilang pang call? Penalty na sila.
Diretso yung ano yung oras, diretso lang.
Ano pa yung segundos? 47.
47. Last 42 seconds. Last 42 seconds. Forty seconds. Last 36 seconds. 34 seconds. 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Basket. Last 15 seconds. Last 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Winner, Lucandia. Kay Paring John. Best friend Antolin. Mga idol ko. Mga idol din to. Solid Nor kaso ng talo.
Kamusta?